Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you have a Ford vehicle with TPMS and you started getting the message of tire pressure sensor fault and you want to figure out which one or which two or which of the TPMS sensors on your Ford vehicle have gone bad, then that is what we're going to do in this video. Now this process will work on all Ford vehicles with a TPMS sensor. If you have the key style ignition on, then you're going to turn the key on and off, and if you have your push button style, then you're going to push the button on and off. At no point are you going to start your vehicle. Next up, you are going to need this TPMS reset or relearn tool for Ford. And where do you find this? Link for this can be found in the description of this video. Now before we get down to the actual video, a few pro tips. One, make sure your tires have enough air pressure. For my vehicle it says 32 psi, so make sure you have enough tire pressure. Next up, take your car around for a drive for 10 to 15 minutes. And then the next thing is a pro tip about the TPMS reset tool. How do you use this, or how do you align this? So when it comes to bringing this near your tires, all you have to do is bring it near the stem valve, which is the place from wherein you put in the air in your tires. And then all you have to do is you will see an arrow. So this arrow needs to point towards the stem valve, put it on the rubber part, and then this green part needs to face towards the rim. So we are not doing it like so, we are doing it like this. That is all you need to do, and then press the button once and it should do it within 10 to 15 seconds. If it does not do it within 10 to 15 seconds, then press it one more time and then let go of the button. Next up is the sequence in which you need to move this tool around. So you will go from the driver side front to the passenger side front to the passenger side rear to the driver side rear. So left front, right rear, and left rear. That is the order which you need to follow, and that is a clockwise order. What we need to do, we're going to put our key in the ignition and we are not going to turn it to on position. So just put the key in the ignition. And now I'm going to press and hold the brake pedal for 2 seconds. And here it is. Here is the brake pedal. 1, 2. Now I'm going to turn the key to on 3 times, stopping at on. 1 on, 2 on, 3 on. Press and hold the brake pedal now for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Ignition off. And then 1 on, 2 on, 3 on. And you heard that honk. And if I let go of this, it says train left front tire. So that is what we're going to do next with this tool. We're going to take this tool over here and then place it over here where I have the valve. Press this once and wait for it to train it, and as soon as it is done training it, you should hear a honk. So here it is. For me, I'm going to start from the left front, and that one programmed successfully. Moving over to the right front or the passenger side front, that one also programmed successfully. Next up, we have the passenger side rear, and for me this one also programmed successfully. So by process of elimination, I think my driver side rear TPMS sensor is not working, and no matter how hard I try to reset or relearn this TPMS sensor using the tool which I have, it is not working. So in my case, the rear TPMS sensor on the driver side has gone bad on my Ford Mustang. Now another thing I did to make sure that the driver side rear TPMS sensor on my Ford Mustang has gone bad is to change the sequence of training. So instead of starting at the left front, I started on the right front, and once I reached the driver side rear tire and it's not programming or resetting or relearning with the TPMS tool, that just makes sure that this is the one which has actually gone bad. Now in your case, you could have multiple sensors which have gone bad, and hopefully this video helped you out in figuring out which one or which ones of the TPMS sensors on your Ford vehicles have gone bad.